Hello friends, today we will discuss about bringing up curry, a new chapter of an alien hand. Here the writer is Dhangopal Mukherjee. Here we will learn that how animals are also our friends and they can even become more loving, brave as well as sensible than human in many situations. So let's see what about the story. The story of bringing of Curry is a narrative description of a small elephant whose name was Curry. The narrator raised the elephant and trained him with the basic instincts of elephants like how to respond the certain gesture and calls. So look at the picture. The two friends, Curry is a 5 month old baby elephant who lives and grows up with his 9 years old friends and keeper. And where did Curry the elephant live? Curry lived under a thatched roof in a pavilion. Here pavilion means shelter and thatch means roof made of dry grass. And do you know, Curry enjoyed his morning bath on the river. Curry loved to be taken to the river for his bath. He lay down on the sand bank and the author rubbed his body with clean sand, then he washed his body with water. So, how would the author bath Curry? After taking Curry to the river bank, Curry lies down on the sand and the author used to rub him for an hour with the clean sand. How would the author get twig for Curry? Getting twig involved a lot of struggle. So, firstly, the author is required to sharpen his hedge for an hour. After that, he starts climbing on the trees to get the most tender and delicate twigs for the Curry. Curry loves twigs and saplings. So, one spring day in March, what happened? Let's see. On one spring day in March, the author was collecting twigs for Curry, and then he heard Curry calling him from a distance. He went there but did not find Curry at the location he left him. He went to the river bank and saw that something of black color was struggling over the surface of water. After a second, he recognized it as his trunk of Curry and found that it was Curry who was drowning in the river. What is the Curry doing in the water? The author said that Curry was saving a boy in the water. Curry saved the life of a boy. And the story highlights the beauty of compassion and the bond between humans and animals. So, the love between humans and animals. Curry developed a great love for ripe banana. Actually, Curry loved ripe bananas. Curry stole the bananas from the table in the dining room. He put his trunk through the window and disappeared with the banana without anyone noticing it. Curry likes fruit too. In the last part of the chapter, we know about the training of Curry and how his master communicate with him. Elephants have been used by humans for transport logs and moving large equipments. So Curry helps everyone in this way.